Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a self-powered wireless doorbell. So I'm pretty excited to test this out and see how it actually works. So let's go ahead. We're going to do a full unboxing and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, this is it. So these get plugged into your wall outlet, and you got two different ones here. So you can put these at two different outlets, two different locations. They supply you with screws, a manual. There's the doorbell itself. So it is a press. So looks like all you do is just press it. They provide you with the double backing tape. That way you can mount it with just 3M tape on the wall. Alright, let's go ahead and test this out. So we got it plugged in, and as soon as we plugged it in, all we have to do now so it's already linked. Let's go ahead and check out. It looks like the volume can be changed with this button, and then the sound it's easy to program another tone. Alright, so to program another soundtrack, alright, let's turn it off for right now. To program another sound, you would select the sound with the button up here, this sound button, and then you would press and hold it if that's the song you want. So now we're gonna press and hold, wait till it. Alright, once it resets, alright, let's go ahead and turn this up. So it's very simple to program. That makes this really nice. Like really nice, because it's so easy to program. You just select what you want, press and hold that music button until it resets, and now press this. That simple. Overall, guys, so easy to program. Absolutely love it. I will give, a higher opinion of this because it's so easy to program. There are some of these that make it impossible to program or just very frustrating. This makes it simple and easy, so this definitely gets a high praise from me. At least a 4-star. We'll test it in 6 months and see if it's still working and whatnot. But yeah, definitely a 4-star from me.